Aahil's Fun Factory.
Let's find the playground. Hooray! Let's climb up high. Hold on tight. Let's play the chess. Big challenge, but no worries. We got this. All done. What an adventure. Time to ride. Woohoo! What's that over there? Hop on, let's go for a fun ride. Get ready! The next challenge is here. Come on, let's make it happen. Hold tight and stay focused. Here we go. We're off to a small zoo. Time to see cute animals like ponies, goats, rabbits, and parrots. Grand marked Brussels. History, beauty, and charm in one place. Let's visit the amazing Atomium. Running on the grass like the wind, let's go to the Atomium and back.
Hello!
Did you know? The Atomium is made of 9 giant spheres. You can walk inside the Atomium and see all the connected spheres.
Shuna, what happened?
Thanks for visiting Aahil's Fun Factory. We hope you loved exploring with us. From playground adventures to magical stories and exciting learning, there's always fun to discover. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay tuned for more adventures.